Fluid mechanics. The meaning of fluid, it does not mean that it is only liquid. Fluid may be gas, fluid may be steam, fluid may be liquid. That's why fluid does not mean that it would be only liquid. So many students is having wrong concept that fluid means liquid. No, fluid means gas also, fluid means air also, fluid means steam also, fluid may be liquid. And what about mechanics? Mechanics means anything which is moving or not moving but can move is known as mechanics. Like if I ask blackboard in college, is it mechanics? No, because that cannot be moved. But a thing which is stationary but can be moved, that is mechanics. Like water in the dam, if you open the pump, the water moves. So that is mechanics. It is not moving but is stationary, but it can move, that is mechanics. So mechanics does not mean that anything which is not moving, that can be also mechanics. No, like blackboard is not mechanics. Wall is also not mechanics. So anything which is not moving, everything is not mechanics. The thing should be capable to move, then only it is mechanics. Now fluid mechanics, under fluid mechanics three things comes: statics, kinematics, dynamics. Statics means which is at stationary, like water in the dam. Even though water in the dam is stationary, then what is the use of knowing static? The thing is stationary, then why we learn static? The reason we learn static, because even though it is stationary, the water is at having some height, and that height gives them some energy. That's why we learn statics. Even though water is stationary, it's not moving, but water is having height, and normally we say it as potential head, Z, denoted by Z. So that's the reason we study statics. Now, why we study kinetics? What is the meaning of kinetics? Kinetics means water is moving at a particular velocity. It is having particular acceleration. So all these things, velocity, acceleration, flow rate, these are all kinetics. So when we talk about the fluid flow, then the fluid, some things we should know, that fluid might be moving at a particular velocity, might be moving at a particular acceleration. So all those things are kinetics. Velocity, acceleration. That fluid which moves, due to its velocity, acceleration, it creates some work, it does some work, it gives some power, it applies some force. Those things are dynamics. Dynamics means force, as power, all those things are dynamics. So which one comes, statics comes first or dynamics? It depends. Sometimes statics comes first, then kinetics comes first, then dynamics comes first. But sometimes what happen, dynamics comes first, kinetics comes first. In this video, water comes and strikes at a particular velocity, so kinematics comes first. After that, the water exerts a force in your hand, so dynamics comes after that. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click